Okay guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to update your Telegram account with easy and quick access. So let's dive in. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to update our apps on the Play Store. So let's use Play Store to have easy and fast access. Now once open our Play Store, come to this your R button. Sorry guys. Click on this your how L, your home will be X, your home will be W, because this thing starts with the first name of your email. So don't be confused if you do not find R on your own. It doesn't mean that it must be R. Okay, so let's click on this. And once you click on this your management app on the device, and just wait for this, and you can say update available. Click on update. These are the apps on your phone that needed to be updated. So my own I needed here is my plus. Let's go and look for your plus. My plus. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm waiting for it. I think it's okay. Let me update this. Okay, just click on update. You can see, and I just started updating. You can see this is up here, and this is finished. Once it's finished, you're going to see it's going to do. So if you want to update all of this, just click on update, click on update, click on update, update. You can see, just click on update and everything is going to update to have a file first features and make it more okay to the update version. You can see once the update finish, is going to install. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe. Thank you guys.